Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking a Spanish national dish, Paella Valenciana. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. You can use any type of oil, but olive oil is the best choice for this dish, as it helps to bring out the aroma. Add the chicken and start frying them for a good 5 minutes until they are lightly browned. Once the chicken is slightly browned, you want to start adding your onions and red bell pepper and fry for a good 1 minute. You want to start adding the rest of the vegetable, green beans or whatever beans you have at home available, and 1 red chili. Now I'm going to add salt and chili powder and start mixing everything well together. After mixing them well together, we want to add 2 cups of water. I decided to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, as it will help to bring out the color, and stir everything well together and let it cook for another 5 minutes. After cooking the chicken for 5 minutes, you want to add 2 cups of rice. Give it a bit of stir and make sure the rice spreads nicely, and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now add in your rosemary and saffron, which will contribute to bring out the flavor and the color to this dish. Now we're gonna let it cook on a highest heat for 10 minutes. And then we're going to cook on a lower heat for 6 minutes so it's crispy from the bottom. I hope you enjoyed my video and will be preparing at home for your family members. Please like and subscribe for new videos in my channel. Thank you.